Want a treat? Sit. Sit.
I'll get an idea.
Lacey. Lacey.
I'll make this one.
Okay, you want a treat? You want a treat? Here. There you go.
Lacey. Hey, here's a really good one. Lacey. Lacey.
Ah, guys, she's not doing it anymore.
Lacey.
At her face, at her face. She'll open up, watch.
Yay.
Like, we'll have something in my hand.
Yay.
Like a little bit of this. Hang on, YouTubers. Or YouTubettes. Or YouTube.
I know how to make it slightly more.
Lacey, here. Look, see? Nothing's there, I ate it.
Okay, Lacey. Lacey.
Here, Lacey, here. Sit. Sit. Nothing's there.
Lacey.
Here you go, here you go.
Lacey.
Nothing's there.
Yeah.
She's so dumb.
Lacey.
Here.
Yay. Yay. Yay.
There's nothing here.
It's like
There's
a
nothing
symphony.
there. No, dude, do the up and down thing. There's nothing there. She thought that something. Oh my god, that's funny.
There actually was something. A little tiny crumb, but I threw it.
So now, if I'll grab a little crumb like this, put it behind, and then eat it, there's nothing gonna be here. Lacey, here. You want a treat? You want a treat? Here you go. Move like. There's nothing there. Here. There's nothing there.
It's like the symphony thing. Lacey.
Then throw it into her mouth.
Okay. Lacey.
Here. Want a treat? Want a treat?
Yeah.
This dog is stupid. This dog's mentally ill. Looks like she's like got retards in them. Here. Nothing's there.